we are in vegan and vegetarian restaurant which comes in Ramjhula, Jonk village, pauri Gharwal district and Rishikesh. Let's visit this vegan and vegetarian restaurant in Rishikesh and let's know what's exactly special in this restaurant in Rishikesh. हाँ मैं फिर से भेज दे रहा हूँ
क्या बोल रहे हैं इसको, क्या बोलते हैं? ये अच्छा लग रहा है हमको। दिखा
This restaurant is made by the Uttarakhand person, Adikpal Bhandari, and this is the restaurant where you will get the taste of Italian, Israeli, Mediterranean, and the vegan style food in Tapovan, Rishikesh. And Mexican food also is here, special. So falafel we make very nice. This is the space where the writers, the photographer, the thinkers can sit and experience the blissness of the Rishikesh.
My name is Dikpal. I'm from Uttarakhand and I came here in 2008 and I started working in many different restaurants, and later I realized I should start a little business, so I opened this place in 2013. Since then it is progressing very well, and we are serving here vegan and Mediterranean foods, and even we have Indian food too. We have very good nature around. You can see some squirrel and some birds species as peacocks, and there like many seasonal birds are coming around, and there is like many kind of butterfly, and we have also library. So if you visiting here, you can be very quiet and peaceful place.
Jai